Happy hunting. Leopards can be found in numbers greater than almost anywhere else in Africa. And herbivores are beginning to gather close to the river. For a big cat, it all adds up to one thing: happy hunting. This female leopard is 5 years old. At around 40 kilograms, she's in prime condition. Her preferred prey is impala. 10,000 of them roam this valley, ranked among the fastest of all hoofed animals. An impala could take on a racehorse. But leopards don't play by impala rules. This fast-changing Eden has now given her an edge. She enters into the maze of gullies. The damp channel margins are carpeted with grass that lures in grazing antelope. Stealth is the best weapon. Placing faith in perfect camouflage, the trap is set. Just a few more careless steps and they'll be inside the required 9-meter range. Clamping her jaws over both nose and mouth, she can stay clear of those stiletto horns and cut off its airflow.